From the beginning, Ecomonica has been committed to redefine the way that we experience hospitality. Luxury for us is not just about indulgence, it's about respect for the island and respect for the people and respect for the future. That's why today we are taking one more step toward that vision. Ecomonica is honored to donate 500 school kits with SBH, including notebooks and pencil cases to the students of Paje school.
My name is Luca, I'm from Italy, I'm 44 years old, I live in Zanzibar since 8 years and I'm the general manager of SPH Monica Zanzibar. I'm very glad to have this role, to be in Zanzibar and to work with SPH and Ecomonica to give back to the community, sustainability with our resort, but most of all we want help and support to the community, the kids of the local school, buying for them all they need to complete their studies. Today we are here at Ecomonica in the beach. We will meet 500 kids of the local school of the area of Paje. We will provide them pen, pencil, quarter book, all they need for their future in the school. We are very happy and we really believe in what we are doing because we are hosted and welcome every day in this beautiful country, and we really want to give back to this amazing community what all the best they give to us since we are coming here.
I'm Alvaro. I'm assistant manager in Monica Hotel. From 4 months ago, SBH company gave me an opportunity to start working in this paradise, in this island, Zanzibar. Our company is doing a very good, great job here. We are now have 2 hotels and we start with another one more. 3 hotels now in Zanzibar. So very good to work with this environment, to work with these people. I think we are not just here just for investor. We want to invest for sure our business, but for sure we want to invest also in these people, in this community. I think it's very important to be part of this community.
Actually, the community is very involved since when they are kids. They try to do their best to support the community. Like an example, they collect rubbish to bring to Stone Town, to receive some money back. They do their best, but we can do more. With our know-how, with our support, we can do more, and this is what we want to do with SPH and Ecomonica.
Well, personally, I think I feel very comfortable in this island, in this environment. I would like to stay very long time here. I feel like at home, actually. And well, the project my company SBH is doing here, I think is having for a long time here. So I'm so happy to start to continue working here.